Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I install peel and stick on this section of my tiny kitchen. First, I'm going to make sure that the wall is clean and smooth using a damp cloth to wipe away any dust or any paint spill. I got this peel and stick huko Chaila Square. I finally visited the place for 145 Kenyan shillings. They have lots of colors and pattern, but I personally went with one with flower and another one with the white marble design. I don't know how I feel about the white marble. I'm not a fan of it, but we are going to try it out and see how it turns out. I measured the height and the width before I started cutting. I forgot to add a few extra inches to each measurement, which should allow anyone to make mistake and adjust as you go, because most all are not really straight. To apply it, it's very simple. You start by peeling off a small section of the backing paper on the top corner of your wallpaper. Carefully stick that corner onto the wall. Make sure it is level and straight using a plastic smoothing tool, which I also got at China Square. Smooth out any air bubble on wrinkles. Make sure you are smoothing it out as you go along so that the wallpaper does not get any wrinkles. For the price of 145 Kenyan shillings, the peel and stick, it is not really forgiving, so just a slight mistake or if the tile is not well cleaned, it won't stick again. So the gum seal is strong sana. I also tried place yenye kuko na paint like kwa ukuta without the tiles, and aishiki, it does not hold. Most peel and stick do hold, but this one was not doing anything. With the right tools, kazi inakuanga rahisi sana, and the installation is done. The results are amazing. I really love how it came out. It makes my tiny kitchen really pop out. Let me know in the comment section if you will try this DIY, and also don't forget to follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Reggie Doing Things. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another DIY tip hack.